Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record Zoom meetings on your phone in a simple and clear way. So, let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app on your Android and sign in using your account. To record a meeting, you must either be the host or get recording permission from the host. If you are the host, simply start a meeting and tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom right. From there, tap on Record to the Cloud and Zoom will begin recording your session. Keep in mind that recording to the cloud is only available if you have a paid Zoom account. Free users don't have the option to record directly within the app. But here's a trick. You can use your phone's built-in screen recorder. On most Android phones, swipe down the access to the control panel and tap on the screen record icon before you join or during the meeting. Make sure your mic and system audio are on if you want to capture both your voice and the other participants. After the meeting ends, your recordings will be saved in the device. You can then review, edit, or share it anytime you want. And that's it. Now you know how to record Zoom meetings on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.